Unlocking the world's survival toolkit. From the Amazon to the Arctic. From the frozen Arctic to the humid Amazon, humans have conquered some of the most extreme environments on Earth. Recently unearthed tools and techniques from our ancestors reveal the incredible ingenuity humans possess, proving that survival is woven into the very fabric of our being. In this series, we're embarking on a global expedition to uncover the diverse survival techniques employed by cultures around the world. Get ready to unlock the world's survival toolkit. It's going to be a wild ride. Ice Age ingenuity. Survival techniques from the Arctic. The Arctic, a land of stark beauty, unforgiving cold, and home to some of the most resourceful people on the planet. This icy wilderness, with its endless stretches of snow and ice, has tested human endurance and ingenuity for millennia. For thousands of years, the Inuit people have thrived in this challenging environment, their survival a testament to human adaptability and resilience. Their way of life, deeply intertwined with the harsh Arctic conditions, showcases a profound understanding of nature. Recent archaeological discoveries have revealed ingenious tools and strategies used by these Arctic dwellers. These findings shed light on the sophisticated techniques developed to navigate and survive in such an extreme climate. The Inuit people, facing sub-zero temperatures and limited daylight hours, excelled in this unforgiving landscape. Their clothing, made from animal skins and furs, was expertly crafted to provide maximum warmth and protection. One remarkable discovery is the ingenious design of their winter shelters, the igloos. These structures, built from blocks of snow, were not just shelters but marvels of engineering. These structures, far from being simple snow huts, were meticulously engineered for optimal warmth and stability. The igloos could maintain a comfortable temperature inside, even when the outside temperatures plummeted. Using snow as an insulator, the Inuit people crafted these temporary homes with a deep understanding of thermal dynamics. The compacted snow blocks trapped heat, creating a surprisingly warm interior. But survival in the Arctic extended far beyond shelter. The ability to find and secure food was equally crucial. Hunting was paramount, and the Inuit people were masters of their craft. They developed specialized tools and techniques to hunt in the challenging Arctic environment. Archaeological digs have unearthed beautifully crafted harpoons, their intricate designs a testament to the Inuits' understanding of animal behavior. These tools were essential for hunting seals, whales, and other marine animals. These harpoons, often tipped with bone or ivory, were designed to secure their prey, ensuring a successful hunt. The craftsmanship involved in making these tools was passed down through generations. The Inuit people were experts at reading the subtle signs of the frozen landscape, using their knowledge of ice formations and animal tracks to predict their prey's movements. This skill was crucial for their survival. Fishing, too, was a vital part of their survival. The ability to fish through the ice provided a reliable food source during the long winter months. Ingeniously designed fishing hooks and lines, some crafted from bone, others from ivory, showcased their resourcefulness. These tools were essential for catching fish in the icy waters. Life in the Arctic was about more than just sustenance. It was about community, about sharing knowledge and resources to ensure the survival of the group. The sense of community was vital in such a harsh environment. The elders, the keepers of ancient wisdom, played a vital role in passing down survival skills to younger generations. Through storytelling and hands-on teaching, they ensured that the knowledge of the past was preserved. The Arctic, though a land of extremes, serves as a powerful reminder of the resilience of the human spirit. The story of the Inuit people is a testament to human ingenuity, adaptability, and the enduring strength of community. Secrets of the rainforest survival skills from the Amazon. The Amazon, a symphony of life, a tapestry of vibrant green woven with the sounds of unseen creatures. This vast expanse of wilderness is home to countless species, each playing a unique role in the ecosystem. Deep within this emerald labyrinth, indigenous tribes have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Their way of life is a testament to human resilience and adaptability. Recent discoveries have unveiled the depth of their knowledge, revealing secrets of the rainforest that have the potential to reshape our understanding of survival and sustainability. These findings are not just academic, they have real-world applications that could benefit us all. The indigenous tribes of the Amazon understand this intricate balance better than anyone. Their daily lives are a masterclass in sustainable living, where every action is in harmony with the environment. One of the most remarkable discoveries in recent years has been the identification of new plant species with incredible medicinal properties. These plants hold the promise of new treatments and cures for diseases that have long plagued humanity. For generations, indigenous healers have used these plants to treat a wide range of ailments, their knowledge passed down through oral traditions and ancient rituals. This wisdom is a precious resource that modern science is only beginning to appreciate. Scientists are only just beginning to scratch the surface of this vast repository of natural remedies. The potential for new discoveries is immense, and the collaboration between indigenous knowledge and modern science could lead to groundbreaking advancements. Food, shelter, and tools are all derived from the forest, each resource carefully harvested to ensure the ecosystem's delicate balance is maintained. This sustainable approach is a model for how humans can coexist with nature. Their understanding of the rainforest's intricate waterways is impressive. These natural highways are essential for transportation and communication within the dense forest. They have mastered the art of navigating these rivers, using dugout canoes crafted from giant trees to access remote areas. This skill is crucial for their survival and mobility. Their understanding of the rainforest creatures is equally impressive. They have an intimate knowledge of the animals that share their home, from the smallest insects to the largest predators. They can identify venomous snakes by their markings and predict the movements of monkeys through the canopy. This expertise is vital for their safety and hunting practices. Recent archaeological finds have also shed light on the ingenuity of their ancestors. These discoveries provide a window into the past, revealing how ancient civilizations thrived in this challenging environment. Ancient pottery shards, intricately decorated with depictions of rainforest life, reveal a deep reverence for nature and a sophisticated understanding of their surroundings. These artifacts are a testament to their artistic and cultural achievements. The Amazon rainforest, with its unparalleled biodiversity and the ancient wisdom of its indigenous inhabitants, offers a profound lesson in survival and sustainability. It is a living classroom, teaching us the importance of respecting and preserving our natural world. The Sahara Desert, an ocean of sand stretching as far as the eye can see, an unforgiving landscape where the sun beats down with relentless fury. Yet even here, life finds a way. For millennia, nomadic tribes have roamed this seemingly barren land, their survival a testament to human adaptability and the power of ancient wisdom. Recent discoveries are painting a new picture of these desert communities, revealing their innovative techniques for finding water, navigating by the stars, and thriving against all odds. The Sahara, often perceived as a desolate wasteland, is, in reality, a land of hidden oases, ancient trade routes, and a rich tapestry of cultural heritage. One of the most pressing challenges in the Sahara is finding water, the elixir of life. Recent archaeological discoveries have revealed ingenious methods used by ancient civilizations to collect and store water in this arid environment. From deep wells dug into the earth to elaborate systems of cisterns designed to capture rainwater, their ingenuity is a testament to the human will to survive. Navigation in this vast and featureless landscape is another challenge altogether. For centuries, nomadic tribes have relied on the stars, the sun, and the subtle cues of the desert itself to find their way across this seemingly endless sea of sand. The resilience of its people, their deep connection to the land, and their ingenious survival techniques serve as an inspiration, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit can thrive. From the icy plains of the Arctic to the steamy depths of the Amazon, we've journeyed across the globe, exploring the diverse survival techniques of cultures uniquely adapted to their environments. But amidst this incredible diversity, a common thread emerges, a universal language of survival that transcends geographical boundaries and cultural differences. Recent discoveries are revealing the interconnectedness of these skills, highlighting the fundamental principles that unite us in our quest to survive and thrive. One striking example of this interconnectedness is the universal importance of shelter. Whether it's an igloo built from blocks of ice in the Arctic, a thatched hut woven from rainforest materials in the Amazon, or a nomadic tent designed to withstand the scorching desert winds, the need for shelter is fundamental to human survival. Despite being separated by vast distances, different cultures have independently developed remarkably similar techniques for constructing shelters using locally available materials. Another common thread is the importance of fire. Across cultures and continents, fire has played a central role in human survival. From the Arctic to the Amazon, fire provides warmth, cooks food, purifies water, and offers protection from predators. It is a tool that has been indispensable throughout human history. The ability to find and purify water is another universal survival skill. Whether it's accessing hidden springs in the desert, collecting rainwater in the rainforest, or melting snow in the Arctic, the ability to secure a safe and reliable source of water is essential for survival. Without it, life would be impossible. Perhaps the most important commonality is the role of knowledge itself. In every environment, survival hinges on a deep understanding of the local ecosystem, the ability to read the signs of nature, and the wisdom to use resources sustainably. This knowledge, passed down through generations, is the key to our resilience and adaptability. As we conclude our journey across the world's diverse environments, we're left with a profound sense of awe and respect for the resilience of the human spirit. From the Arctic to the Amazon, the Sahara to the rainforest, we've witnessed the incredible adaptability of humankind, our ability to not only survive but to thrive in the face of adversity. The survival skills we've explored are not merely techniques for staying alive. They are a testament to human ingenuity, creativity, and our deep connection to the natural world. These skills represent a legacy of knowledge passed down through generations, a precious inheritance that connects us to our ancestors and reminds us of our own potential for resilience. In a world facing unprecedented challenges, these lessons are more relevant than ever. By embracing the spirit of adaptability, resourcefulness, and respect for nature embodied by these survival skills, we can navigate the uncertainties of the future with courage, hope, and a renewed sense of our place in the world.